Welcome to the Tracking Student Progress Against Standards View in the Gradebook tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to use the Standards dashboard to monitor student growth against standards, search by standard to quickly view student progress, share student progress with connected family members. Let's jump in and see how easy it is to track and share student progress. Once logged in, tap the Gradebook tab to track individual, group, or class-wide progress across standards. Begin by selecting a date range you would like to review. Then, using the filters, select the specific student or group you would like to monitor, as well as the standards that you wish to review. Once your filters are set, you can easily and quickly review the data to support differentiated learning for your students. Hover over specific standard ratings to see rating and activity information, or tap on the student's name to review their progress report. Progress reports can be printed or can be sent directly to families through messages to keep everyone in the learning loop. Teachers can also head to the class journal to review standards tagged activities that have been completed. To review these activities, access the class journal and tap the Standards button. From here, you can filter by standard set, grade, subject, and standard code. Once you have entered your search criteria, tap the green check mark and all applicable activities will populate in the journal. This is a great way to review activities that have been tagged to specific standards to see progress over a period of time, to add to a folder, or to share with family members at conferences. That brings us to the end of the Standards view in the Gradebook tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit the Help Center for additional support.